Zoo's boat race.
We'll stop tidying up soon, Zoo, and then we'll go to the park.
All right, Grandpa.
Wow!
Oh, I see you found your dad's boat. Oh, we used to have a lot of fun with that when he was your age. It just needs a lick of paint and some new sails. You draw around these old sails, Zoo. Then I'll cut out the shapes to make some new ones.
Yes, Grandpa.
And I'll start painting.
Here you are, Grandpa.
Perfect, Zoo. Now, I just need to glue on a little bit of string to tie them to the mast. There you go. Almost done. Oh, it looks like we're out of glue.
Oh.
Let's go to Mr. Zoe's and get some more. Then we'll go and sail our boat.
Great, Grandpa. It's Captain Puck. Hello, Mr. Zoe.
Hello, Zelda. Hello, Zinnia.
Hello.
Hello there, Zoo. That's a mighty fine boat.
Oh, let me see. I've got a boat too. A remote-controlled one.
Hi, Zoo. That's a great boat.
It was my dad's. We're going to sail it in the park.
Yes, we've been fixing it up, but we seem to have run out of glue.
Use this.
Perfect.
Let's race! At the beach. That's much more exciting.
Can we, Grandpa?
If you want to.
Okay, Zinnia. Let's race.
See you later.
See you later.
I'm coming too. I'm with Team Zoo.
Have fun.
How am I going to race my boat against Zinnia's? Hers is remote-controlled. It'll be much faster.
Oh, Zoo, this is a great little boat. You just need to have some fun. This was your dad's. Now you're ready for action.
Thanks, Grandpa.
You're Captain Zoo.
Hi, Zoo. Wait for us. Are you ready to race? Even though my boat is better than yours.
Don't be so sure about that, Zinnia. I'm Captain Zoo. Puck, Zinnia's boat's really nice. It looks super fast.
My boat will easily whiz up here.
Oh, don't worry, Zoo. This little boat has won many races, and now it looks as good as new.
But it doesn't have an engine.
That means there's one less thing to go wrong. The wind and the sea will carry it along. All right, you two. You can race from this end of the cove, then under the jetty. First one to reach the other end of the cove is the winner.
Get set, ready, steady, go!
Yay!
What's going on? I'm going backwards.
You're in the lead, Zoo. Yay!
Oh, I had it the wrong way around!
Come on, Zoo!
That won't make it go faster, Pock. Pock, my sail's fallen. The rope has come undone. Well done, Pock. Yay!
But that's not fair!
Now, Zinnia, your boat has an engine. Zoo needs the wind to power his boat.
Oh.
Seaweed! Be careful, Zinnia!
It's fine, Mummy. I don't want to lose time. My boat can do it. Oh!
Go into reverse, Zinnia. That should get you free.
Oh, all right. Thanks, Grandpa.
I think you're going the wrong way, Zinnia.
Come on, Zoo! Zinnia's far behind now.
At last! Right, Zoo. Get ready. Here I come. See you later, Zoo.
Oh,
Come on, Zoo. Don't give up. It's not over yet.
Zinnia, you made my boat all wobbly.
Sorry, I didn't mean to, Zoo.
Zoo, it's going to sink. I can't look.
It's a strong boat, Zoo. It'll be fine, you'll see.
If you say so, Grandpa.
Oh, that's better.
It stopped rocking.
Phew.
I told you it'd be fine. The wind's carrying it along nicely. Keep going. You're doing great, Zoo.
Faster, faster. Come on, boat. No!
Oh, Zinnia!
No! Go forwards, you silly boat. No. Don't do that.
Oh, look, Zoo. You're in the lead.
Wow, your boat is going so fast. Yay!
Look, Zach, there it goes. Yay!
I can't see it.
Nor can I.
There it is. Oh, no, it's stuck.
Move, boat.
Move, boat.
Here, Zoo.
Thanks, Grandpa. Can't reach. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! I won!
Team Zoo, yeah!
Well done, Zoo.
My boat.
Oh, it looks as if Zinnia might be in a bit of trouble.
Let's go and help her.
Good idea.
Well done, Zoo. You won.
Yes, Zoo. Congratulations.
Thanks, Aunt Zelda. Do you need some help, Zinnia?
Yes, please. My boat won't go straight, so I can't bring it to shore.
Well, let's see if we can help. If we start by turning off the engine, we might be able to reach it then.
Yes, Grandpa.
There you go.
I guess now it won't work anymore.
Oh, yes, it will. I can fix it in my workshop.
Really?
Really, don't you worry. Come on, all this sea air has made me hungry. Let's go home and have some apple pie.
Yay!
Yummy.
Apple pie!
Grandpa, Could you make some sails for my boat too? That way, next time we race, I'm sure to win.